Okay, here's the next question. I did the series one first. Now we're going to do the parallel question. This is question 3, handout 3. And it reads, the power factor of a parallel circuit, obviously parallel is a key word there, is 0.66. The voltage is 90 volts. That coincides with parallel. That's important. And the current is 6 amps. So they've really already given us IT when they told us the current is 6 amps. But to find our VA, we're going to use that 90 volts, which will be consistent for finding our IX and our IR. Because it's a parallel circuit, the 90 volts will be across every component, and that way we know the difference between a parallel and a series circuit. So VA equals our 90 volts, or in this case, I've just got steps 1 through 6. I've just got the formulas written down. I have everything color coded. So VA will be our E times I. I could have called it ET, like I did in steps 4, 5, and 6. I could have left the T off, I suppose, because really the voltage is the same throughout the entirety of the circuit. I decided step 2 was going to be my power equals VA times my power factor. Don't forget the power has to be smaller than don't forget the watts, which is power, has to be smaller than VA. So we're multiplying our VA by a decimal. In this case, it's going to be 0.66, which they gave us in the question. Step 3, again, we're using Pythagorean theorem. After I've calculated VA and power, I can plug that into the formula. VA squared minus power squared gives us VARs. I decided to do my IT next, which we do already know is 6 amps, but to verify that, we can take then what we got for our VA, divide it by our 90 volts. Step 5, to find the current across the resistive component of the circuit. And because it's a parallel circuit, the current will be different across each component. So my current across the resistor will equal whatever I got for my power in watts divided by, again, that ET, or I could have called it E. It'll be 90 volts. Step 6, my IX, or the VAR side of my triangle, the X component, which is the inductor and the capacitor, will be whatever I calculated for VARs from step 3, divided by, again, that same 90 volts. The next video, I'll complete all these questions with the solutions, and then we'll move into something new.